Today I'm joined by someone who has been unlocking the speaking potential across the world.
And this was exactly the purpose of my life, and I'm fulfilling that. Biggest fear people have is LKK. लोग क्या कहेंगे?
So when was that moment when you came to know that your voice can influence people?
For reaching any goal, as we say, a mentor is important.
Your name has a prefix naturally.
नाच नाच के तोड़ दी सैंडल, हमारी naturally नेहा मैम. ओम इग्नोराय नमः.
One skill that is quietly becoming the most powerful skill in the world. नहीं, मैं कोई कोडिंग की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं कोई डिग्री की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटेलिजेंस. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एबिलिटी टू कम्युनिकेट एंड इन्फ्लुएंस पीपल थ्रू योर वॉइस. बट द क्वेश्चन इज why does it happen that many people, ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जो काफ़ी टैलेंटेड हैं बट स्टिल दे आर नॉट अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर. और आज हम इसी पावरफुल टॉपिक के ऊपर बात करेंगे दैट हाउ टू स्पीक एंड कन्विंस पीपल थ्रू योर वॉइस. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द सुभाष कार्तिक शो. और हाँ, हम इस शो में बात करते हैं कम्युनिकेशन के ऊपर, लीडरशिप, इन्फ्लुएंस एंड पर्सनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के ऊपर. ऑन दिस शो वी एक्सप्लोर कम्युनिकेशन, लीडरशिप, इन्फ्लुएंस and personal transformation through some powerful conversation. जी हाँ, हम यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे conversation लाते हैं और उन लोगों से लाते हैं जिन्होंने अपने लाइफ में अपने वॉइस के जरिए ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाई है. Today I am joined by someone who has been unlocking the speaking potential across the world. Yes, I'm talking about naturally Neha from Patna.
Thank you so much, and I'm so glad to be here. Thank you so much for having on this show.
She is certified international coach, a peak performing public speaking and leadership coach who mentors more than 1,000 plus students across world. एक बात वो हमेशा बोलती है, she makes managers CEOs. जी हाँ, वो कहती हैं कि वो अपने वॉइस से किसी भी मैनेजर्स को CEO में तब्दील कर सकती है. नेहा मैम, every speaker has a story. राइट. सो आपके लाइफ में भी शायद कुछ ऐसा मोमेंट आएगा जिस दिन और जिस वक्त आपको लगा होगा, यू एक्चुअली फेल्ट दैट योर वॉइस कैन चेंज योर लाइफ ऑल्सो एंड योर वॉइस कैन चेंज अदर्स लाइफ ऑल्सो. सो व्हेन वाज दैट मोमेंट व्हेन यू केम टू नो दैट योर वॉइस कैन इन्फ्लुएंस पीपल?
Thank you so much for that amazing question, and it takes me back to the days when I was a coach. And I was training day in, day out in IDQ Value Adder. I was transforming lives, and I could not know how much I'm transforming them unless I actually meet them live. So we completed our 250 batches, and we had a meet in Kolkata. And I flew down all the way from my city, and there in the evening, when all my students came to meet me, they started hugging me. Neha ma'am this, Neha ma'am that. Ma'am, I got promoted. Ma'am, I'm now in this organization. Ma'am, I've opened a startup of my own. At that moment, it hit me, oh my God, what am I doing? And this was exactly the purpose of my life, and I'm fulfilling that. And I definitely wanted to go ahead and help more people go and achieve more goals in their life. And of course, for reaching any goal, as we say, a mentor is important. I was mentoring them, and that was the biggest, I would say, the gift from God that I feel I have, and I wish to give it to everyone.
And now that आपके इतने सारे स्टूडेंट बेस है, every month you are training more than 1,000 students worldwide. अभी कैसा लगता है आपको? How do you feel?
I feel really amazing, especially when you know that somebody who needs your help has received that and they have transformed their identity. It is an amazing feeling that you have, a satisfaction that comes way beyond words. Okay. Yes, because they come and tell you, ma'am, now my walk is different, my talk is different. People in my office are asking me, kya khaya, kya piya, what have you done? And then it really gives you the ultimate happiness, seriously.
Okay, एक बात थोड़ा सा मैं क्यूरियस हूँ, एंड आई थिंक हमारे व्यूअर्स भी क्यूरियस होंगे, that your name has a prefix naturally. वो naturally क्या चीज़ है, मतलब what is that naturally word?
Well, this naturally is something, it takes me back to the biggest, I would say, a memory in my life when during an event, when we had Teachers' Day function, there was a set of students of my batch who made a poem for me. And in that poem, maybe like 5-6 paragraphs in the end, it says, Naach naach ke tod di sandal, hamari naturally Neha ma'am. And since then, they started calling me naturally Neha ma'am, and I asked them that why did you use this? They said that ma'am, it apt suits you because you are a person who gets the language out of the mouth on stage naturally. So that's the best name we can give you. And I accepted that title as an honor.
Wow.
And now that has become my identity, my name. I am now known as Naturally Neha.
That's amazing. Now we'll talk about the problem. Because, see, you are a very powerful speaker. But I've seen there are many people, they have the talent, they have the degrees. Maybe they are having a good position in the organization. But when they speak, they feel hesitant. They feel shy. They feel that they are very introvert. They are not able to speak. तो मुझे ये पूछना है कि जब लोग talented होते हैं तो वो बोल क्यों नहीं पाते? आपको क्या लगता है?
See, the biggest fear people have is LKK. लोग क्या कहेंगे? This person who is sitting in front of me, that person is going to judge me. Is this person speaking incorrectly? Oh, this person is not confident. Oh my God, ये तो लायक नहीं है शायद इस रोल के. And that's exactly what scares them. It is a fear. And I always say this, that you have to face your fear. You have to face it. Face it till you make it.
तो मतलब फियर क्या चीज़ का फियर है? ये लैंग्वेज का फियर है कि मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती या मुझे दूसरे लैंग्वेजेस नहीं आते या सामने वाला मुझे जज करेगा? व्हाट इज दैट?
The judgmental fear is, I would say, it's the most important thing that's taking a toll. लोग क्या कहेंगे? सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग?
तो इसका सोल्यूशन चाहिए मैडम मुझे. आज ऐसे बहुत सारे व्यूअर्स हैं जो हमें देख रहे हैं जिनको बोलने के समय प्रॉब्लम होती है.
You want the solution right now?
यस और मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि आप कुछ ऐसा टिप्स दीजिए जो शॉर्ट हो और एक ऐसा डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दीजिए पब्लिक एकदम लाइव हमारे व्यूअर्स के सामने जिससे जिनको उनको लगे कि वो कभी भी चाहे तो कॉन्फिडेंट हो सकती है या हो सकते हैं.
Great. So there are two questions in this. The first thing you said, a first tip that they need to know because of this LLK factor. For this, you'll have to keep your hands in the Jnana Mudra. You can do that right now.
ऐसा होता है कुछ?
Exactly. Please
Okay.
put that.
Yeah.
And put that in your lap.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
And take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. And repeat after me. Om Ignoraya Namaha.
Yeah.
Exactly. Om Ignoraya Namaha. This is the Maha Mantra, I would say, that's gonna take your fear out because you need to ignore things in your life. You cannot be thinking what others are thinking because everybody is busy thinking about themselves. So it's time now we stop thinking what others are thinking and actually think about your own self. Om Ignoraya Namaha is the Maha Mantra, and you ask me any tip or a hack
Yes,
for making
absolutely.
somebody like instantly confident, because what happens is because of this fear, people instantly lose confidence.
Absolutely.
Now, to get that back, can I have a bottle or something?
Okay.
So this is a tip, pro tip. This is a water bottle if everybody can see.
Yeah.
All you need to do is, if you want to be instantly confident, just
मतलब
take-
ऑन द स्पॉट अगर मुझे कॉन्फिडेंट बनना है,
When
राइट?
you want to go on the stage or speak,
Okay.
take this bottle from your right hand.
ओके, मैं भी एक बॉटल ले लेता हूँ.
Exactly, please do that.
ठीक है, सो दिस इज द बॉटल.
On your right hand, take this.
Okay.
Take it behind your back. Pull it from your left hand, please.
ओके.
Exactly. Take it out.
ओके.
Right now, take this from your left hand and put it behind your back. Pull it out of your right hand.
ये स्पीकिंग के लिए एक्सरसाइज करना पड़ता है क्या?
Exactly. Now, when you go ahead and put that bottle back,
Okay.
you will find that your gestures have improved. Your shoulders are open.
ओके.
And you instantly put your chin up, look straight into the camera, speak with a smile. You are instantly 50% more confident than what you were
Yeah, I can actually feel this कि अभी मैं I'm upright and
Exactly.
chin is up दैट्स अमेजिंग, वेरी गुड. आई थिंक ये इंस्टेंट एक बॉडी लैंग्वेज टिप है
Right.
जो हम कर सकते हैं. वाह,
Absolutely.
दैट्स वेरी गुड. बट एज फार एज स्पीकिंग इज कंसर्न, आपको क्या लगता है एक अच्छे पावरफुल स्पीकर को ऐसी कौन सी 5 हैबिट्स उन्हें हमेशा एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए, उन्हें हमेशा करनी चाहिए? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
That's an amazing question. Thank you for that. I would first say that, firstly, I request all my students that do this every morning. Maybe you're reading a newspaper, a magazine, maybe your book. But here, when you take that book, take at least one paragraph out of it and speak it out loudly. Loudly.
मतलब वो
in front of
newspaper
everyone.
भी हो सकता है,
Yes.
right?
मतलब I know that you're reading the rest of the part, but at least one paragraph, speak it out loud.
ओके.
Aloud, so
Okay.
that you and everybody else, if there's no one else best, they hear it out loud. The second thing you have to do is you have to do some exercises. I hope I can show that now.
Yeah, please.
So you have to do some jaw exercises to open up your jaw. You have to do, you can do with me.
Okay.
Ah,
Ah.
ah. That has to be 10 times. Ah.
Okay.
You're opening your jaw. Then you have to do E. जैसे कि हाँ कैमरा में E.
E.
Exactly.
Okay.
So that you have to do 10 times. Now next.
No, why? इससे क्या होगा?
This is opening up your mouth area, your jaw area.
Okay.
And now for your expressions, you'll keep your eyes up and look down.
Okay.
Up and down. And if you can quench your eyes now and make it large. Quench. Large. Exactly. This and the next thing, smile. अब स्माइल के लिए भी प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. जी हाँ, सम पीपल, कुछ लोग ना मुस्कुराते ही नहीं, एंड सम पीपल हैव अ डाउनवर्ड स्माइल, यू नो. No, it has to be a smile, the curve that goes up. Like I always say, नई बहू की स्माइल हमेशा ऑन होनी चाहिए. Yes, fake it till you make it. Give that smile. That smile is very, very important. And the hack that I told you, the bottle one, your back must be straight. The back has to be absolutely straight, and that's what gives you not only the confidence in your body posture, but also when you speak, your voice comes out.
Okay. So आपने कहा कि jaw exercise will help, smile will help, this eyes will help.
So these all are opening up your facial muscles, your eyes, and this is what something you use while you communicate with others.
So आपके पास इतने स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं, आई वॉन्ट टू नो कि what kind of transformation you see on them. मतलब वो जब आते हैं एक प्रॉब्लम्स लेके आपके ट्रेनिंग के बाद, what kind of changes और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आप उनके अंदर देखते हो?
There's a huge transformation. See, the reason when I say it huge is because, be it an international audience or an Indian audience, when you go ahead and when you surrender to your mentor, it is bound that if you are at level A or B, you are going to D, E or F. Absolutely. So when I see my students within 1.5 month itself, I get, ma'am, office में सब पूछ रहे हैं क्या खाया, क्या पिया, your walk is different, your talk is different, the way you are presenting is different, what did you eat? But they are shh. They don't want to tell the secret to everyone.
नहीं, हमें तो सीक्रेट चाहिए. हमें
Absolutely.
दीजिए कुछ, हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी वो सीक्रेट चाहिए कि कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. आई नो ये हमारे पास टाइम काफ़ी लिमिटेड है, बट
Right, but the one thing that I always tell them to do is, there is a piece of portion that we use. I always say them that you have to go ahead and make mistakes. Making mistakes is what makes you learn. That is something that you have to do. And Om Ignoraya Namaha, ignore what others will say. Do your mistakes, because it's only mistakes and mistakes that are going to take you higher. Because I always say them, डर के आगे
जीत है.
नो, डर के आगे हार है, हार के आगे जीत है.
नहीं, मतलब ये समझा नहीं. डर के आगे जीत है,
डर के आगे हार है.
हार है.
आप डरोगे, आप गलती करोगे, you will fall, but after you fall is when you rise. और वो जो मज़ा आपको गलती करने के बाद आता है सही करने में, उस सक्सेस का टेस्ट, उस स्वाद ही अलग होता है.
बट लोग तो गलती करना ही नहीं चाहते हैं.
यही तो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. आप गलती करोगे तभी तो कुछ आगे
नहीं,
करोगे.
अगर देखिए जैसे कम्युनिकेशन में इंग्लिश का एक बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है. लाइक पीपल दे वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. आज जो इंग्लिश मीडियम से है, ओके, दे आर स्पीकिंग, But majority, I think majority, they are from a vernacular medium, Bengali medium, Urdu medium, Marathi medium, Telugu medium, Tamil medium से लोग हैं. वो कहाँ से इंग्लिश बोलेंगे? उनको तो मिस्टेक करना पड़ेगा.
That's absolutely right. You'll have to make mistakes and you have to start by making mistakes.
बट वो मिस्टेक तो नहीं करना चाहते ना. They say that I want to speak perfect English.
But they have to go ahead and first start. See, you never started speaking English right from the day you were born. जब आप पैदा हुए थे, आपने अपनी मदर टंग भी सही नहीं बोली थी, हिंदी भी सही नहीं बोले थे, तो आप इंग्लिश कैसे सही बोल देंगे? So ఒకవేళ నేను తెలుగు మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, తెలుగు కూడా నేను తప్పుగానే మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. I know, but because I'm speaking that correctly right now, maybe when I was born, I even spoke Telugu incorrectly. So whatever is our mother tongue also, हमने तो पहले गलत ही बोला था ना. तो ये चीज़ भी जब आप कुछ सीख रहे हो तो यू हैव टू बी रेडी टू मेक मिस्टेक्स. द रीज़न आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट पीस ऑफ पोर्शन इज इन NLP वी से दिस. Let's say you have to order a cake for your birthday. I recommend you to order caramel Biscoff cake. Will you order that?
Yes.
Because maybe Neha is saying you, but if you don't know me and I just tell you to order, you might go with a flavor that you actually had tasted before. Maybe you go with mango or black forest.
Yeah.
Because you have had that cake before. But now when I give you a slice of the caramel Biscoff cake, you have had it, and next time Neha says, please try to order that cake, that was a very good flavor, you had the piece of portion. So now you are not fearful in eating the whole cake. And that's exactly what I tell all my students to do. Don't fear away. Don't say no to the opportunity to speak. Wherever you get the opportunity, go out, speak. If you get a platform where you are able to speak, please go ahead and speak. गलत ही बोलिए, पर बोलिए. आपके अब बोलना ज़रूरी है, सही बोलना ज़रूरी नहीं है. आपका बोलना ज़रूरी है.
So I can say कि clarity और language both are important, but clarity is more important.
Yes, language से ज़्यादा, I would say.
एक ज़रूरी बात कि communication is more about language और communication is more about connection and energy. What do you think?
बेहतरीन क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा. I would like to throw some light here. According to research also, सिर्फ 7% is language.
7% language.
Exactly. And the remaining 55% डिपेंड करता है अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज पे और 35% अपने स्टाइल.
नहीं, मैं देख रहा हूँ आपकी हाथ तब से जब से आप बात कर रही हो, यू ऑलवेज यूज योर हैंड.
एग्जैक्टली, आई डू, बिकॉज दीज आर हैंड गेस्चर्स. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द फैक्ट, आप लैंग्वेज कितना भी सही बोल रहे, कितना भी अच्छा बोल रहे, जब आप एक स्टेज पे जाते हो एंड यू स्पीक, the audience should be firstly be wooed by you.
Right.
You should be able to hold the attention of the audience. Attention starting में काफ़ी लोग पा लेते हैं, but later on you see that audience loses focus. कोई उठ के कहीं जा रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है. Why? Because you are not able to hold the attention of the audience. And if you want to go ahead and hold the attention, your conversations or whatever you are speaking has to be highly engaging. That has to be done with even your voice.
True.
You should modulate your voice so that it sustains interest.
So we have to focus on our body language and we have to focus on our voice modulation.
Exactly.
So क्या हम अपने voice को change कर सकते हैं?
Right, we can.
मतलब मेरा तो एक ही voice है, right? क्या इसको change किया जा सकता है?
See, there are a few habits that you were asking me that we need to inculcate, right? So in that habit, you can also add one more. You can go ahead and practice something that improves the quality of your voice. Would you like to?
Okay. Yes,
So let's do
absolutely.
that. Very weird it might sound. I'm so sorry
नहीं
for
नहीं
this.
चलेगा
but
चलेगा,
this is what you
बताइए.
have to
Voice
do.
change
You
करना
have
है.
to do.
इससे voice change होगा.
This is going to improve your vocal cords and your voice.
Okay.
And if you even try singing a song, maybe with that.
ये हम लोग बचपन में करते थे.
Exactly, and you see many kids doing that.
Yes.
This is actually going to improve your voice.
My God.
Absolutely.
I never knew that.
Thank you. I'm so glad I could come to your show and let others know.
Yeah, that's very nice. It's very good. इसको आपको सीखना पड़ेगा भाई आपसे.
You are mentoring lakhs of people, so I'm sure that everybody who's being mentored by you are at a very different level, and when we all are also coming from the same platform, we are being mentored, we are being coached by a person who is the right mentor, who guides us the right way. I think that makes the entire difference.
But I'm telling you, Neha ma'am, I have seen many coaches at my IDQ value adder. I have more than 200 coaches, right?
Right.
But when it comes to energy, right? When you talk, I have seen that when you talk, people notice you.
Exactly.
बात इंग्लिश की नहीं है, बात लैंग्वेज की नहीं है, बात है कि व्हेन यू टॉक लोग आपको नोटिस करें. तो ऐसा क्या राज है, आप बताइए आज हमें कि लोग आपको नोटिस क्यों करेंगे? Is it because of your dress?
No, not
Is
at
it
all.
because of your hair?
Not at all. I know many people ask me that, ma'am, what is it? You know, क्या खाती हैं आप जो इतनी energetic रहती हैं? But there are days, and I don't know if many people know this. Whenever I'm going to take a session or maybe an offline session, I take trainings. I don't eat that day.
Don't
I
eat.
don't eat at all, because I know that if I'm on the stage, I have to give that energy. I cannot feel that bloatedness thing, and I should maybe have some fruits, maybe, or a granola
True.
bar, but I really don't, because I don't have that habit. So where does the energy come from? I would be brutally honest here. It comes from your passion. It comes because I love whatever I'm doing. I
True.
love whatever I'm doing. I know that I'm doing this for a purpose. I know that I'm on a mission, and that mission is improving you. So yes, you are looking at me, right? So yes, you are the purpose, and you give me that energy. My students give me that energy, and that passion actually drives me, and you feel that energy in my voice.
Absolutely. And एक सीक्रेट क्वेश्चन है आपसे,
Oh my God.
काफ़ी सीक्रेट है जो मुझे पूछना है. मैं बहुत दिन से सोच रहा था और मैं सोचा कि दिस इज़ द प्लेटफॉर्म, मुझे आपसे ये पूछना चाहिए.
I'm really scared right now.
नहीं, इधर की बात नहीं है, आप ही का बनाया हुआ है. यू नो, देयर इज अ फिलॉसफी दैट यू ऑलवेज टीच, दैट इज किस फिलॉसफी.
Oh my God.
किस फिलॉसफी, व्हाट इज दैट KISS philosophy?
And the audience are getting confused. Am I talking about a wala kiss or no, I'm not. Okay, the KISS philosophy that you're talking about. Many people actually ask me, you know, when I teach them public speaking, मैम कितना लंबा होना चाहिए हमारा speech?
Yes.
कई बार होता है कि लोगों को माइक थमा दिया जाता है and like speak, and some people go on and on and on for
हाँ, ये मैंने
hours.
देखा है. बहुत लोग हैं जिनको पता नहीं कितना बात करना चाहिए.
I seriously had this problem by many people, and they asked me कि मैम क्या करें, कितना बोलें? So now, to answer this $1 million question, I have made this KISS philosophy. KISS, it's an acronym. It stands for Keep It Short and Simple. I repeat, keep it short and simple. In layman terms, सिर्फ उतना ही बोलिए जितना कि ऑडियंस बोले. थोड़ा और बोलती ना तो मजा आ जाता. That's where you stop.
दैट्स अमेजिंग.
Thank you.
मुझे भी लग रहा है थोड़ा आप और ज़्यादा बोलती तो मज़ा आ जाता. चलिए, अच्छा लगा ये किस फिलॉसफी. सो हमने आज जाना कि हाउ यू नो व्हाट शुड बी बाय बॉडी लैंग्वेज. हमें स्माइल करना है, हमें अपने हाथों को यूज़ करना है, हमें बोलना है. बट क्या हमें इस बात का भी ध्यान रखना है, शुड वी थिंक अबाउट हाउ टू एंड द स्पीच?
Absolutely, and I think you should end it like my mother-in-law, मेरी सास की तरह.
मतलब आपकी सास की तरह हमें एंड करना है, क्या है वो बात?
I think I've learned this from my mother-in-law. I would definitely like to pull her into this conversation. अगर आप मेरे घर आए होंगे तो you would have seen that जब भी कोई घर में गेस्ट आता है, मेरी सास, she's a very warm host. She gives you a cup of fresh juice, she gives you the meal and everything. But जाते वक्त, if you would have noticed, she either gives you new clothes or maybe gives you a gift or a token of love, whatever. And if she doesn't have that, she'll take out that 500 rupees note and keep it in a lifafa and give it to you. ऐसा क्यों करती है वो? क्यों ये नए कपड़े या ये 500 रुपये या आपको क्यों दे रही है? आपको क्या लगता है?
अच्छा लगता है उनको कुछ दे के जाने में, यू नो.
एंड रिसीवर को कैसा लगता होगा?
रिसीवर को तो ऑफ कोर्स अच्छा लगता है.
Exactly. So this is how you end the speech. The reason I told it should be ended like my mother-in-law is because whenever you are ending a speech, I know you are summarizing it, you're getting all the points, but the key is never leave your audience depressed. always have something positive for them to take away. Leave them with a smile, with a hope, with an absolute notion that they have had a wonderful time. Because a speech can be, heard and it can get destroyed in days. People might not remember that. But people will not remember what you speak, but they'll always remember how you made them feel. Always remember.
Absolutely, that's amazing.
Thank
चलिए
you.
आपके साथ एक रैपिड फायर राउंड करते हैं. आपको सोचने का बिल्कुल मौका नहीं मिलेगा.
Oh my God, now this is scary. मुझे डर लग रहा है.
आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है मैडम, आप पावरफुल
Let's see.
स्पीकर हो.
Thank you.
यस, चलिए पहला सवाल. When the word comes leadership, आपके जहन में क्या आती है? What that one word comes in your mind?
Me.
Me, मतलब you.
I'm the leader. Yes.
अगर किसी को एक पब्लिक स्पीकर बनना है तो उसे कौन से हैबिट के ऊपर काम करना चाहिए?
The first habit that they have to work on is stop looking at the wrong people. उनका eye contact हमेशा most prominent person पे जाता है. They should stop doing that. That's the first thing.
That one habit that makes people confident.
I would say a smile. Nothing greater than a smile can electrify any presence. I think your smile makes all the difference.
Okay, that's amazing. Now, the final question. One public speaking hack for our youth who are, watching this show.
See, I always say this, that whenever you go on to the stage, you have to be immensely thoughtful that you are going ahead and you're presenting in front of few people. So जब तक ये दिमाग में रहेगा कि मुझे लोग जज कर रहे हैं, people are going to think something about me, I know that's going to be a mess. So what the mistake they do is, they go ahead and look into the eye of people who are there, especially somebody like a chief guest or maybe a CEO. But the hack that I tell them is, don't look at them. Yes, you heard me right. Don't look at them. The biggest hack that I can give you is that you have to make 3 or 4 points in the room. Left, right, behind and center. We teach them. And when you make these points, you go ahead and look at those points only and not particularly at that person who is maybe Amitabh Bachchan or maybe Shah Rukh Khan or your CEO or maybe your husband or wife. Because the person, the greater the influence, the more the eye contact. So we should avoid that and rather stick to your 4 corners. If you're speaking a person who is going and public speaking for the first few times, I would recommend you doing that, because when you don't make the eye contact, you feel more confident. People will feel you're looking at them because you are looking at the 4 points.
Yeah, yes, absolutely.
But you are actually going ahead and not feeling nervous that time, and you deliver whatever you have prepared with flair and strength, with a smile, of course.
Okay, that's amazing, Neha
Thank
ma'am,
you.
wonderful. But एक सवाल जो मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि what is that one thing you always resemble with leadership? You said me.
Exactly.
मतलब what is that answer? मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि.
I am the leader.
Okay.
I am the leader because right now every person has to understand that we are in our own trains. क्या होता है ना, when we are driving our own train, we are taking it to the path we want. But there are many times when somebody else sits on the driver's seats and drives your train. For example, your wife, your husband, your mother-in-law, or maybe you try driving train of your kid. It's not going to happen, because if you want to reach your destination, you are the one taking the decisions in your life. You are on the driver's seat taking that to the destination. So when you understand this little thing that you are the leader of your own life, take charge. Because 10 years down the line, when you go ahead and look into that mirror and ask, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, you cannot be blaming either your husband, wife or anybody, in fact, because you are responsible for your life.
Absolutely.
Wherever you are.
नेहा मैम, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है, and I think our viewers are also getting lot of inputs from you.
Thank you.
So before we close, I want that, what message would you like to give it to our viewers who have actually, they have their dream, they have their ideas, they have their potential, but somehow they are hesitating to speak. So, what message you want to give it to them?
Firstly, if they have dreams, I would like to say don't just have dreams, have goals. Have smart goals in your life, and to reach any goal. I would say, have you seen any Olympic gold medalist win a gold medal without a mentor?
Nine.
No. So a mentor is very important in your life. Always have a mentor who can handhold you and take you from this level to where you want to be, because they are the ones who are going to know the way and show you the way. And the last and the most important thing is you have to take action. If you are not taking action, not improving your communication skills, understand in this world, if you are just the best, you're keeping your job. That's it. I'm blunt, I'm sorry, but if you want to be cut above the rest, you want to be better than the best, you'll have to work upon your communication skills.
Absolutely.
If your aim is to come out and be different from the participant pool, stand out and shine, you need to be that lion in the jungle. You'll have to go ahead and roar. And to do that, yes, you need to speak. You need
Absolutely.
to learn that skill, because कोई पेट से सीख के नहीं आता. Communication is a skill. You'll have to learn it. Invest in yourself so that others invest in you. Thank you.
Thank you, Neha ma'am. If you enjoyed this amazing conversation with Neha ma'am, please subscribe to this channel, because in future we are coming up with lot of powerful speakers, leaders, entrepreneurs. हम बहुत सारे ऐसे गेस्ट के साथ आएंगे जिन्होंने अपने लाइफ को भी चेंज किया. Not only that, they are actually impacting people's life. Thank you, Neha ma'am. It has been a wonderful and pleasure meeting with you.
It is my honor, I would say, that I'm a part of this show. Thank you so much, Subhash Karthik sir, and I really hope all the viewers who are watching us, you had a really good time, and this time you're going to walk up to that stage and speak.
Absolutely. और हाँ, आप लोग में अगर कोई भी है जिनको लगता है कि you want to improve your communication skills, your leadership skills, and you want that नेहा मैम शुड मेंटोर यू, आपको लगता है कि अगर नेहा मैम से आप अपने को कनेक्ट करना चाहते हो, यू रियली वांट टू लर्न फ्रॉम नेहा मैम, मैं उनका सेशन के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. प्लीज़ कनेक्ट विथ नेहा मैम. होपफुली दोज डिसीजंस विल चेंज योर लाइफ. रिमेंबर, योर वॉइस इज नॉट जस्ट अ साउंड, okay? Your voice is leadership, your voice is impact, your voice is influence. So wherever you are right now, speak with courage. थोड़ा सा हिम्मत दिखाइए जब बात करते हो. Speak with clarity. जब भी बात करें इंश्योर करें कम बोले लेकिन सामने वाले को समझ में आए. And above all, speak with integrity. This is Subhash Karthik and you are watching the Subhash Karthik Show. See you in the next conversation.